it's me, Farlam Guy 13, and today we'll be having Session Test 5. Here we have two 4903 9426 horn chokes. These are 75. These are set to 75 candela, these are the TrueAlerts that have the Smart Sync switch, but I disconnected it. I have it on non-Smart Sync mode, so the Smart Sync will not happen. So, and they're both set to high volume continuous. Here we have a Firelight BG10. This is the Allen key version. And here we have a Mericom MS403. This is a Canadian pole station. You see this in Canada. I actually saw this one in Toronto, in the Toronto Eaton Center. You could find these in Toronto or any place in Canada, because usually they are most common in Canada. I saw many of them, and especially the Fire version. So, today we're having a two-stage system. So, you see the Firelight BG10 is connected to this TrueAlert that has the number 1 on it, and the Mericom MS403 is connected to the TrueAlert that has a number 2 on it. So, I'm going to activate pole station zone 1 and then zone 2. So first we'll activate zone 1. You see the alarm is activated and still is flashing. Have you noticed that the strobes are uneven? The strobes, they're not on sync, but the second TrueAlert is more faster than the first TrueAlert. I don't know why, but they're both brand new TrueAlerts. They came brand new in box. Both 75 candela and both the same model. Now we're gonna reset the pole station. I'm gonna reset the BG10, and then I'll reset the Mericom MS403. Now we're gonna close this box. Now we're gonna close the BG10. So there we go. System is reset. And for fun, I'm gonna do some coding options on the Mericom. I'm gonna be doing some coding options on the Mericom MS403. Now, first we'll do continuous. Next is march time. And next is code 3. Next is California code. And next is slow march time. do a key activation test with the BG10. If I had a panel, these would be in code 3. So there we go. The pull station has been reset. And that was System Test 5. And thanks for watching. And press that red subscribers button. Bye.